Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
The police headquarters have sent a report to the Home Police Department. So the department
Menteri Tnat Kampo Ieng ke Sorkar Jela ubak lakemen rembui hagas ngi balang ka laifuai tarik unailar arajar arpuar ula pentip bak Tnat Pulit kala dep Aiti ya ka Kaiphod sya ka Sorkar haga bayadei bar ke jing pendon kambakla ban Thied hadu arpu kondai teli kikali dau Assistant Inspector General of Police A ubak Gabriel K Yangrai. Haga jing ekran bat kilat patai kubor ubak rembui ulayatu baka Tnat Kampo Ieng kadang kemi bnia ya kani ka Kaiphod shuaban shim ya kano karai.
The police headquarters have sent a report to the Home Police Department. So the department is studying the report and whatever necessary to be done, the government will do, taking into consideration that the whatever inquiry, whatever finding, so we have to substantiate and see. So let's wait for another 1-2 days after this report have been studied and what to be done from the police will be decided. As of now, I cannot see any action taken. So when the report have been studied in full, if there is any clarification, if there is any thing to be done, then only the government will do. See, the natural process of law have to be followed. So any officer or any person, no matter what he do, we have to give a chance for anybody to defend themselves. Then only we will do the needful. See, allegation, no matter what, it depends upon what is there in that report. So as of now, I will tell you that the Home Police Department and the Police Department will hide nothing, but the due process of the law have to be followed for taking consideration after assessing what is the thing which need to be done. Your question is if. So I will not reply to if. I will reply to fact. Okay.